Alright, as everyone gets set up, I want to welcome everybody to the Children's Center Science and Sensory Activity Day. So we have some fall-related science, and our experiments are so crazy we have to do them outside. So what we want you to do, I don't even know if you can see my screen right here. We're going to ask you to make predictions. We have some chemical reactions that are about to happen. We are going to have an oozing, exploding pumpkin. Hopefully it doesn't explode, but it might ooze a little bit. We're gonna add some different substances inside and see the reaction. Next, Diane has some Halloween candy, and we have 4 different solutions of water, milk, oil, and vinegar. And we're gonna ask you to make a prediction. Will the candy sink? Will the candy float? Or will something strange happen? Next, we have some exploding, we'll see if this explodes, some elephant toothpaste that are in Halloween colors. So we'll see the reaction when we mix yeast, peroxide, and dish soap, and hopefully watch the magic happen. So Diane, what's up first?
Drop our candy in the solution, and after 10 minutes, I'm going to ask somebody what you think is going to happen, and we're going to wait 10 minutes for this. Some of them are going to rise to the top.
Will they sink? Will they float?
Are they going to stay like they are?
Jason, what do you say? He said no change.
Okay, you think one is going to change over the other?
Let's look at it so far. Right now, it looks like they all sank.
Yeah,
But will it change?
we're going to see.
Time will tell.
Yeah, we're going to see in a few minutes.
Well, we gotta wait for that one. Next, she's going to do the pumpkin
Yeah,
and tell them the ingredients that are going in the pumpkin.
right. We're going to... Okay, we have our Okay, we're gonna pour this in our pumpkin. Then we're gonna add a few drops of dish soap, about 3 drops. Okay. Then we're going to add some baking soda to our solution. And then we're going to add some vinegar. Then we're going to see what happens when we add the vinegar.
What's gonna happen?
Hopefully. Be up high enough. Let's see it. Put some more in there because it did. Yeah.
Bam!
We didn't take it around and let them see
Yeah,
it.
take it around.
Yeah. Look. Look, there it comes.
It's full of foam. It didn't explode, but it's full of foam. In this experiment, we have some common things that you probably have around the house. So that just includes yeast that people use to bake bread and different things, hydrogen peroxide, and dish soap, and food coloring as well. So I've already put the food coloring, and I'm gonna add a little bit of dish soap to each of these bases here. Food coloring's already there. Add a little bit more dish soap. Then the hydrogen peroxide. Now, to get a really dramatic reaction, if you want to do this at home, you want to get the stuff that they sell at salons that has a high percent. This is the regular old stuff, which is 3%, but we'll still get a reaction anyway. So I'm going to take this off. Now, also, that's going to help a dramatic reaction is the size of our opening. If you notice, how does the size of the opening of this jar compare to the opening of the pumpkin? A lot smaller. So there's going to be a lot more pressure, which is hopefully going to cause a better reaction. So I just swirl this around, mix this up together. It shouldn't be, but we'll see. Next, I have my yeast right here. I just mix it with some warm water and just letting it set for a minute. So it dissolves and activates. Now here is hopefully the fun part. Here we go. So it didn't shoot up. I've seen other videos where it really shoots up. But you need the higher percentage. You need the higher percentage peroxide to get that crazy reaction. All science.
Candy out.
All right.
And see if we can see any changes.
I see one change. Oh, I see a couple changes.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa, that's pretty weird. You can come up closer for this if a couple of you can. Let's take a look.
Can you see some of the changes? I see the one that was in oil no longer has any green on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so that is some crazy science experiments. We wish they were crazy, but hopefully they were fun. But you can see how the materials that we have are everyday items, so if you want to try to replicate it in your classroom, it's pretty easy to do. And it wasn't even that messy. Like those exploded or expanded, but not horribly much. And the baking soda, same thing. It expanded, but not that much, so you could do it easily in your classroom. All right, next up we have in the gym, and we can kind of go through. She has it set up where you can basically just wheel your students past different smells, sensory smells. All right, so we have the sensory area set up by Miss Kimberly. And as you can see, we have some hanging things, and what they are is different pumpkin related spices. So we have cloves, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. So the students are able to go through here and smell it, and as soon as you walk into the gym, the whole gym smells good, like somebody's cooking. So students are able to, as they roll through or walk through, they're able to experience these smells. And it smells really good.